Good morning, Mims AutoHeads. Welcome back to another video. Thank you so much for tuning into this video here. I have a Hyundai Elantra that I will be the stabilizer links all the way around this car. And I just thought that it would be interesting if I recorded a video showing you guys how to do these. Without further ado, let's hop into the video. As always, we start by taking off the tire first because we can't do anything without taking this off. So all right, overheads. So here we have a few options on taking this SwayBar link off. First, we could use the torches, which are the flames. They will burn this shit out very quick. But sometimes there is gas behind and stored in the SwayBar link. So whenever you're burning it, just make sure that you are safe because you might be inhaling gas, and that hurts. So, or we could use this socket here and see if the sway bar, because the ball in there, it might turn. If it turns, then we might have to use our Allen key here, which is a H5, and the socket that I have on right now is an 18 millimeter socket, and we're gonna try it first. If it turns, then we will bring a 18 millimeter wrench, and then we will use the Allen key with it, because it has an Allen key right where the stud is. Or we could bring a vice grip and we can hold it from the back. But let's try with the simplest one first. As you can see, it's turning. So okay, AutoHead. So unfortunately I couldn't find an Allen key that could go in here because this now is worn out, it's stripped. So but what I found is, as you can see, this wrench behind here, this is the type of sway bar that has uh, a, a wrench that an open end wrench that could go in the back. So in that size is 18. I will just go hold it here, and then I will bring my 18 millimeter socket with the impact gun, and we will loosen it. Hope that you all can see better. And I was wrong about the wrench. This wrench is a size of 17 millimeter. It's not an 18. So but it keeps turning again because I sprayed PB Blaster. Maybe that's why. This one is out. Yeah, we have one out now. The bottom part. The top bolt is loose. One, instead of using a gun here, because as you can see, the control arm is very close to it, so we cannot use an impact. So what we will do is we will have to use manpower. We'll bring the wrench and we will loosen it with it. So 18 is what we will bring. That's what I'm talking about, guys. Put that pain in. AutoHeads, put that pain in. Now we have this side done. I will go do the other side, and then I will go and show you how to put these on safely without breaking the balls inside. Because you don't want those balls to turn when you're putting them on, because that will make it play a lot a lot sooner than it should, you know. So I'm gonna go do that because it will be easier for me to adjust the new SwayBar links when I have both sides on at the same time. Take them off at the same time and put them back on at the same time. So let's go. Now we have this side done. I will go do the other side and then I will go and show you how to put these on safely without breaking the balls inside. You know, because you don't want those balls to turn when you're putting them on, because that will make it play a lot sooner than it should, you know. So I'm gonna go do that because it will be easier for me to adjust the new SwayBar links when I have both sides on at the same time. Take them off at the same time and put them back on at the same time. So let's go. The new ones. So these are made by Premium Lines, it says. All right. So let's just come here first, and then yep. See, now it's easier for us to move the SwayBar itself up and down, because these are the links. This is the SwayBar. In and then see. Okay, top one is on. And now bottom. And same shit. Okay. 19 is in here because I take it home every time. Okay. So we will go down with the lift and tighten the top nuts. Okay. So we will go down with the lift and tighten the top nuts. Alright guys, so we got all of them tight now. What we have to do is just go over them all, you know, just to make sure that everything is good. Because you don't want a customer or your car driving around the road and then some shit fall off. You know, you don't want anything to, we don't want to put anyone in harm. So just go over them all and make sure that they are tight.